Good morning vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I have had a bit of a slow morning and showed you guys the kitchen reveal for my morning routine. It has honestly, every time I see the kitchen, I just think I'm so glad that I took a risk and we put the wallpaper up, because I just think that it just fits the vibe so well. Not a very busy day, but we do have a few things to do today. Today I'm getting my hair done and I'm gonna get a good workout routine in, and I need to go to the grocery store to get some food because we are out. So just a few things on the agenda today, but other than that, it actually snowed where we live. And I really was hoping that it would be warm from here on out, but we live in the Midwest, so you never know with the weather. But it actually snowed this morning, so there is snow outside. It's cold out, so we're gonna have to bundle up when we go out. But before I get ready to go to my hair appointment, I just wanted to share something that I got from Kyle for Valentine's Day, and I shared it a little bit in this morning's routine. But I got this new Year in the Bible study for Valentine's Day, and I'm very vocal on my faith on here. If you haven't watched a lot of my videos, I really just am really passionate about living a life that pleases the Lord and following Jesus. And one of the things that I have never done is read the Bible all the way through. And obviously, I feel like reading the Bible all the way through can be such an overwhelming task, and it can feel just very overwhelming, and you don't really know where to start. A lot of people start in Genesis and then they go all the way to the New Testament and end in Revelation. I just feel like I would get stuck in the middle of the Old Testament and just needed some guidance, and that's just our human nature. We just need something to help us with that. And so I've seen a lot of girls share this study. This is what it looks like. They have different versions. This is from Alabaster Co. They have different versions that you can get. You can get the soft cover, the hard cover, or the spiral bound. But this is a 52-week Bible study, and I just finished the first one today. But it goes by in weeks. So week 1, you're learning about the relationship. You're learning about the relationship between God and humanity. And so today, day 1 reading plan was Genesis 1-3. Why I am loving this so far is that each day you're only reading 1 to 3 chapters. And that just seems so underwhelming to me, and I just feel like this is going to be a great study because I'm finally going to get to read the Bible all the way through, and it's because I'm reading multiple chapters a day, which really isn't that overwhelming. And the thing is you don't stay in the same book. If you see right here, tomorrow's day 2 is Romans 1-2. And so it's all going to be readings that reflect the relationship between God and humanity. And so there's some really cool ones in here that talk about serving others and having steadfast faith in times of sorrow, living generously. I also love how the illustrations are just very vibrant and just reflect what each week is going to represent. And so this is so exciting. I was literally so giddy this morning to wake up and do my first day in my new Bible study. But so far I'm loving it. It's not overwhelming, and I'm just excited to be able to say at the end of this study a year from now that I read the Bible all the way through. And so yeah, so that was just a little something that I wanted to share. But besides that, we're just gonna get ready. I've got to leave very soon to go for my hair appointment. I'm gonna do like a caramel balayage. I honestly just need a refresh because my hair is just, I haven't got my hair done since, it's been like a long time, almost a year. So it's time to do a little refresh. So let's get ready to go get our hair done. Just got back from the store and getting my hair done. I am obsessed with what it looks like. It just adds some warmth to my hair, and I'm excited to see like my natural highlights like come through in the summer. But besides that, I thought that I would give you guys a little bit of a grocery haul. We get our meat from Sam's. If you don't have a Sam's, you would probably have a Costco, but it's where you can get like your ground beef and chicken, and we get it in big bulk so that we don't have to go to the store every single week for our meat. And so we have meat in our freezer on hand. Also, if you hear something in the background, it's my sweet potato microwaving because it's 2 p.m. I haven't ate lunch and I'm actually so hungry, and I'm going to the gym later to coach and work out in sauna, so I need some fuel in me. But I thought I'd give you a little grocery haul because it's Tuesday and I should have went to the store over the weekend but did not have time because we were so busy, so I'm going to give you a little haul. So I got a few things that I don't normally get that I'm excited to try out, but I got these Steel Cut protein oats. I am just looking for something to add more protein into my breakfast because that's the one thing that I don't get is protein, enough protein. Some gluten-free pancake mix. I got these Simple Truth chicken breakfast sausages. Excited to try those. Some eggs because we go for eggs so fast around here, and then some turkey bacon. I got some apples, peanut butter, and we can't forget bananas. Guys, for dinner tonight, I'm going to make some spaghetti squash. So I got 2 squashes, and then I got this Rayo's homemade marinara, and so I'm so excited to try that. I know it's going to be so good. And so today, the rest of the agenda looks like eating some yummy food and working out and just doing the normal tasks of the day. I haven't really, nothing really fancy over here, especially with the cold weather. It's not even nice enough to go out for a walk, and so we're kind of just dealing with the winter uglies around here, which is fine. But I feel like my hair refresh really just gave me a refresh. And so it's February, it's almost Valentine's Day, which is so nice. I'm surprised that I'm not wearing like a Valentine's Day color today, but for once I went neutral with my outfit. But anyways, let's make lunch and kind of chill for the next couple hours until we have to go to the gym. I really need to prioritize chilling on my days off when I can, so that it truly feels like a day off from working at the coffee shop and cleaning and all this jazz. So that's what we're gonna do for the next couple hours. This is what we're looking like. We got some apples, melted peanut butter, and some honey drizzled on top for a little pre-workout snack. And it has some protein in it, so I'm so excited. Also, Remy is literally waiting for me to give her some, and she doesn't know that she's not getting any. Rim, you can't have any of my apples. Getting ready to go to the gym, but I wanted to show Look at what I did. I broke my nail right in the middle. Look at that. It hurts so bad. Sorry, graphic. If you get sick easily, I'm sorry, but this makes me want to go back to short nails. These are my natural nails, and so when I broke that, it hurt so bad. But my nail appointment is next week, so I have to wait quite a bit to get that redone. But I'm really scared to go to the gym tonight and be messing with weights and that be on my finger. But we're getting ready to go to the gym. Kyle's gonna be on his way home soon to come ride to the gym together. Like I said, I have to coach, and so it's gonna be just like a night at the sauna, and getting a workout in. Today is upper body and gonna do some cardio as well. It is so cold outside, so I'm gonna be wearing something more warm. So we're going to get dressed for working out. Here's my little workout set. Honestly, this bra is from Walmart and these leggings are from Fabletics. I just feel like I like to mix it up a little bit, and then I put a little blue scrunchie in my hair to kind of sandwich the outfit together. But I am gonna put like a sweatshirt on over this because it's freezing cold outside. Literally doing something the opposite of cozy, but I feel like it fits the green and blue vibe. So, all right. It actually feels so wrong to be going to work out in sweat the day that I get my like hair redone and everything, but it's all about them gains, you know? It's all about being consistent. So Daddy's home every time. Hey, shh. Every time Kyle pulls in the driveway, she literally barks like this. But as I was saying, it's all about being consistent today. So we're still going to the gym, even though we just got our hair washed. Film much of my workout, but that's because I was busy working out. But basically, I was doing upper body today, and so I did some stuff like that. That involved that, bench press, lateral raises, that type of thing. And then I did 10 minutes on the treadmill, and I did 20 minutes in the sauna. So quick session tonight, but I couldn't be super present because I did have to coach, and so I also had to judge Kyle because he was doing an online qualifier workout. So kind of sporadic session tonight, but we still got it done, which is what matters most. Right now, I am getting the seeds out of these squashes, and then I'm gonna coat them with olive oil and cheese and pepper, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. And then by the time I make the ground beef and the marinara sauce, they will literally come out looking like noodles. It'll be so cool. I've never made spaghetti squash before, so I'm super excited to make this. The hardest part is just getting the seeds out. And so that's what I'm doing right now. But once that's done, we will coat them with olive oil and get some cheese and stuff on there.